Hello dancer! Today we are talking about figure eights with our hips. Now let's jump straight into the body mechanics. We want to make sure that our figure eights are parallel to the floor and not going up and down, okay? The best way to practice it, open your feet about shoulder or hips width apart. Now from here, try pulling your weight on one leg and on another by straightening your knees and feeling the floor with your feet. It's very important that we are not pushing our hip, but actually activating our legs and abs to hold our upper body in place. In Bachata Sensual, we normally move only one body part at a time, or at least one body part at a time stands out and the other body part follows and usually becomes a decoration. In this case, even if we have to move our hips, we actually are manipulating our hips. So hips become a decoration and my abs and my legs become the active player in this game. What do I mean by that? So if I need to, for example, begin on one side, right? Preparation, again, hip to the side and a little bit back. So if I actually activate my hips would be pulling my entire body and my body would collapse. Instead, I engage my abs to hold my upper body in place or, not moving, not so reactive. And with my leg, I will pull back my hips. So my hips are being allowed to pull back as a preparation. Now, as I shift my weight, my abs will help bring my hips forward and I transfer it to the front leg, or not front leg, the other leg, the free leg. So my supporting leg will start releasing as my abs help my hips come in through the forward motion, through the forward diagonal, take them all the way to the side. Remember, we want to have the edges of the circle, our hips touching the edges of the circle, yeah? If not passing. All the way to the back as much as I can. So if you see this twist happens because my abs are holding my upper body in place. It's very important. One of the best ways to practice this is, do you remember twisting? We do twists a lot. So it's almost like that, only do not move your hips, feet. So when we twist now, instead of helping with your feet, I want your feet to stay stationary on the floor and only practice rotating your hip to the left and to the right, to the left and to the right. This way you will hold your upper body in place and learn to rotate your hips left and right, left and right, left and right. From here, all you need to add is circular motion. Your range will come in time, so don't worry about it. But from here, instead of just going forward, 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 we want to make sure that we're hitting that outer edge of our circle. Outer edge, outer edge, outer edge, good. And make your figure eight circular, 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 circular. Good, help yourself with your legs. Your abs are holding your upper body in place. That's it. When you're ready, start stepping around. Practice it with sensual basic. And practice it with open base, with closed base, and with basic step. And other shapes, forward and back. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Do me a favor, and if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button. Also subscribe to this channel and let YouTube algorithm know that our videos are actually helpful so it reaches more people like yourself who are looking for bachata training videos. Well, that's about it. Thank you so much for your time today. I will see you in the next tutorial. And in the meantime, take care of your body, take care of your soul, and take care of your bachata. Ciao, dancer. Mwah.